If you have ever tried to run a powerful artificial intelligence on your own computer, you know the biggest roadblock is not computing power. It is memory. The AI simply runs out of RAM. This happens because of something called the key value cache. Think of the key value cache as a high-speed digital cheat sheet. As you talk to an AI or give it a massive document to read, it stores all that context in the cache so it does not have to constantly search a slow database. But this cheat sheet grows incredibly fast, leading to massive memory bottlenecks. Historically, engineers tried to fix this using traditional vector quantization, which is a way to compress the data. But these older methods created a new problem called memory overhead. They required the computer to calculate and store quantization constants for every small block of data, which ended up adding 1 or 2 extra bits per number. That overhead basically defeated the entire purpose of compressing the data in the first place. But a massive new breakthrough called TurboQuant completely solves this. It achieves extreme compression, dramatically reducing the size of the key value cache with zero loss in accuracy. It does this through a brilliant 2-step process involving 2 new algorithms called PolarQuant and QJL. The first step is PolarQuant, and it completely changes the geometry of how the AI looks at data. Normally, an AI stores memory vectors using standard Cartesian coordinates like an X and Y grid. Imagine giving someone directions by saying, go 3 blocks east and 4 blocks north. That works, but it takes up space. PolarQuant converts this data into polar coordinates. Instead of 2 separate grid directions, it just gives a radius and an angle, saying, go 5 blocks total at a 37-degree angle. Because the pattern of these angles is known and highly concentrated, the data maps perfectly onto a predictable circular grid. The AI no longer has to perform expensive data normalization, which completely eliminates the old memory overhead problem. It acts as a massive, high-efficiency compression bridge. However, whenever you compress data that aggressively, you leave behind tiny mathematical errors that can make the AI hallucinate. That is where step 2 comes in. It is called QJL, which stands for Quantized Johnson-Lindenstrauss. QJL acts as a microscopic 1-bit mathematical error checker. It takes the tiny amount of bias left over from the extreme compression and reduces it to a single sign bit, literally just a +1 or a -1. This zero overhead trick completely neutralizes the hidden errors, guaranteeing that the AI calculates its attention scores with perfect precision. The actual test results for this algorithm are staggering. When tested on standard open source models like Gemma and Mistral across complex benchmarks, TurboQuant reduced the key value memory footprint by a factor of at least 6 times. It successfully compressed the cache down to just 3 bits, and in massive needle-in-a-haystack tests, where the AI must find one tiny hidden fact in a giant document, it achieved 0 accuracy loss. Even better, it is completely data oblivious, meaning you do not need to train or fine-tune the model to use it. And because the compressed data is so efficient, a 4-bit TurboQuant setup runs up to 8 times faster than standard 32-bit unquantized data on an NVIDIA H100 GPU. This breakthrough goes far beyond just language models. It also dramatically speeds up high-dimensional vector search, which is the technology that allows search engines to understand the actual meaning and intent behind your words, rather than just matching keywords. In tests, TurboQuant consistently beat older state-of-the-art methods like PQ and RabIQ, achieving superior recall ratios. We are stepping into an era where massive, highly intelligent AI models can run with the efficiency of a 3-bit system, ending the memory bottleneck once and for all.